Nope. All right, you're done. I'm leaving you. All right, see you later. Nope. Idiot, I left him. I left him. I'm not coming back either. I swear I'm not. Nope.
Ah, it's my idiot spaz brother. What is he doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
We're going to Jeffrey's.
We got places to go.
We're going to Jeffrey's.
Put your seatbelt on. You better be quiet and shut
No,
up.
forget the seatbelt. Safety last. Let's go.
You need to be quiet. Oh, you're gonna make us cry. We're gonna put some help. This idiot over here about to go steal his tortillas. I'm gonna steal his tortilla right now.
What are you doing?
I need that tortilla. And where are you going with that liquor?
Huh?
Where are you going with that?
Me and Jeffrey are the party.
You can't take that to Jeffrey.
Yes, we can. No, what do you
Back
want?
here.
Stop.
You're not taking all that. Oh, go ahead then.
Is that right?
Wait till Mom
We're
finds
gonna
out.
get super drunk.
What a
Woohoo!
fool. Chick-fil-A and liquor. Two idiots. Two of the biggest idiots on the planet.
Meet downstairs.
Nope.
What are you doing? I'm doing magic.
Idiot, that's the win.
And for the next trick, I'm gonna launch you.
I'm not gonna launch you.
The great Spazzarini. One of the great shirts. Spaz.
Stupid spaz. I know he's got my game. I know he stole my game this morning.
Oh, what's up?
Do you know where my anime game is?
Oh, your anime game?
I know you
Oh,
have
you
it.
see? Are you talking about this anime game?
That's my game. I knew you had it.
That's great, right?
Well, since you want to steal other
I
people's
want to show my
games,
friends.
your games are about to get ran over by this lawnmower. Nope.
Are we good?
Not good. I'll destroy you. You'll never touch my games again in life. What are you doing, Spaz?
Huh?
Doing?
But they cut the grass. We get $100. Smack
$100?
balloons. Yeah.
I'm getting $100.
Yeah, we
You're
cut the
not.
grass. Yep.
You can't ask me for $100.
Because you suck.
Nope. I'm getting the $100.
No.
I'm getting the $100.
You're not.
The $100 is mine.
It's not yours.
$100 is mine. Look at that idiot lost a lawnmower war. Well, $100 is mine.
Spaz school bus is here. You better hurry up. You're gonna miss it. Where do you think you're going? You're not going to school. And bus is gone. You're in so much trouble.